is here. How do you expect people to get in that Uber car with?
Hey, get your butt back there.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm here with Brian and Zago from KIP, and this I was just walking by and I saw sublimation. You guys, we do a lot of sublimation. So what caught my eye is the way that they're printing, and it's dry sublimation. I was like, what the heck? Brian is going to give us a little bit of information on what type of sublimation they're doing, and this thing is really, really cool. Check it out.
Hi, I'm Brian with KIP. Yeah, this is a dry toner base system. It is not ink, so it uses permanent LED print heads. Very, very fast. Prints 3,000 square feet an hour, and it's instantly dry. As you can see there, it's printing some right now.
Nothing. It's instantly dry.
And it prints the transfer paper, and then you would transfer it to a polyester material with a heat press. It should save tons of labor and complete your projects much faster. We make the world's only toner-based wide format systems in the world.
And when is this going to be available?
Q2.
Q2. Cool. Right. Thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
Before I got up, where can they find you?
Where did what?
Where can they find you? Like if somebody's interested?
Oh, at KIP.com. KIP.com.
So there you go, guys. Dry sublimation. I mean, right here, I'm looking at it. It looks really good. Let me show you some of the stuff that they already have printed. You know, like for those of us that do uniforms, I mean, everything is already printed. Look at that, and that's the next thing that we're gonna be doing at Liberty Graphics. We're gonna be doing baseball jerseys. And this is, you see it, looks really good.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy.
One in it together. One get one.
Straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, take comments will never make you feel enough.
What's up?
So Stan, what's up, man?
What up, man?
I got a question for you.
Answer.
So, you can answer?
Yeah,
Look at me. Honest truth?
honest truth.
Okay, so we all know that this guy's an idiot.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring.
What was the question?
That was a statement.
I mean, I think that, you know, to each his own opinion.
See, like you
I
beat
think
it
he's
around
short.
the bush.
I think he's short.
Man, look, why know what you're talking about, man?
You see that?
You still run a 4-4.
A 4-4 or a 4x4?
44. 44.
44.
What's up, Ruben?
What is it? How are you, man? I think it's to meet Juan, man, and ride for a while now.
Idiot number one?
That's my
You
guy.
didn't
I
answer
talk
the
to him all
question.
time.
The answer is.
You don't need to.
It's a yes or no.
Stupid is and
What was
stupid
the
does.
question? What was the question?
I'm an idiot.
Are you an idiot?
Yes.
Man, that's don't think that.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way, so I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way, so I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off and do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way, so I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way, so I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
R&D technician. When Sam is loading a garment, every one of the garments has a smart code on it. Baked within that smart code is all of the information associated to the SKU that we're printing on, the size of the garment, the artwork that we're printing on, as well as it distributes all of the instructions to 14 pallets on the oval jet. So it's unique to that garment. So a cotton t-shirt is gonna be different than a fleece, different than a tote bag. So those unique requirements to print that garment or that product are gonna be distributed out to all 14 stations on the oval jet.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that.
Okay, so have you guys heard of printing for dummies? What's your name, sir?
Juan
Juan.
Cortez.
Can you explain to me what you're doing?
I am printing. I need
Yeah,
more
where
ink.
to establish that?
I'm attempting to print a shirt.
Whoa. You need ink?
There's ink in there. Let me see how it looks. Wow, that's pretty good. It's kind of high.
Hey, don't screw it up like Ryan.
I think my distance is better.
See, that one looks. Wait, Joe, let me see. See, this one looks a lot better. See, that's how you do it. Like that. Now look at Ryan. That's what not to do. Not to do.
I taught him everything.
Almost everything. vamos a empezar con el resistor, lo vamos a traer toda la paleta, así, para que haga una capa bien delgadita en toda la paleta. Con todo lo vamos a traer. Y ahorita lo único que estoy haciendo yo es limpiando. Si miran, si queda poquito, si necesitan un poquito más, hacen así, la traen, y aquí le agregué un poquito. Y ahora toda la paleta está cubierta con una capa bien pequeña. Entonces la vamos a poner, la vamos a bajar bajo el flash dryer por un momentito solamente para que se seque. Ok, so ya tenemos el resistor listo. Ahorita va a estar bien plegostioso, se va a pegar bien la carnita. Y ahí está cómo la imprimimos, ¿verdad? Entonces si miran, aún no se miran todos los colores, porque la malla ya tenía tinta negra. Entonces si la traigo de nuevo, la razón por la que les estaba explicando del resistor es porque no quiero que la camisa se mueva para nada. Si miran la que yo le pide, no se mueve. Entonces si necesito imprimirlo otra vez, voy a traer, aquí es donde no tienen que mezclar nada. Simplemente traigan su tinta y en la misma línea. Y estoy poniendo bastante presión. Y ahora se va a mirar un poquito más marcado y van a mirar las diferentes líneas. De nuevo, la imagen se mira muy oscura porque la malla ya tenía tinta negra, pero si no hubiera tinta negra, los colores se deberían de mezclar todos. Miraríamos el rojo más rojo, el amarillo más amarillo, que se mezcla con el azul y va a ser un verde. Recuerden, cuando Liberty Graphic Designs, drop in how to answer, right?
Some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature